Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Minecraft error. An error has occurred and the error code is Blaze. So if you're getting this Blaze error in the Minecraft, then here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to verify your Microsoft account isn't being used on multiple devices. So go to this Minecraft Help Center webpage. I will provide this link in my video description and scroll down and look for the Blaze error. Here it is. And here you will find the troubleshooting steps. But before that, let me tell you what it means. It means there was an issue while signing in. So the first fix is to verify your Microsoft account isn't being used on multiple devices. A Microsoft account can only be used on one device at a time. So please make sure that your Microsoft account isn't used on multiple devices and then check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to sign out and sign in to Minecraft launcher. You can see reset your connection to authentication servers. So open this link and here you can find the steps to reset your Microsoft account sign in Minecraft. So simply sign out and sign in back using the launcher. So launch the Minecraft launcher, click on your profile and click on log out. And after logging out, just log in back and then try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if still your problem is not solved, then fix 3 is to close and reopen your Minecraft realm to solve connection errors. So just restart the realm. If you are playing on a realm, have the realm owner close and reopen your Minecraft realm to solve connection error. So open this link. And here you will find the steps. Launch Minecraft and select play. Select the realms tab and select the realm you want to reset. Select settings. Select manage realm and then select subscription. Select close realm and choose yes to confirm. Select open realm to make your realm available to players again. Closing and reopening Minecraft Java Edition realm. Launch Minecraft and select Minecraft realms. Select the realm you want to reset and select configure. Select settings from the configure realm options. Select close realm and choose continue to confirm. Select settings and open realm to make your realm available to your players again. So follow these steps to solve the connection errors and then check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to try the general error code troubleshooting for Minecraft Bedrock edition. So you can perform a general troubleshooting. So open this link and here you will find the general error code troubleshooting for Minecraft Bedrock edition. These are the general troubleshooting: sign out and restart, close other programs, check your internet connection, disable add-ons, check available storage space, check your edition and version of Minecraft. Try these solutions one by one and check which one work for you. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve an error has occurred, error code Blaze in Minecraft. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.